After being in the store for probably close to 45 minutes, if not longer, deliberating with my friend, trying to decide for myself, this is what I bought. The packs of this Mayde Beauty Wavy Goddess Locks in 10 inches. There are 33 strands per pack, and this is what they look like. So the hair should fall about here. It's a mixture from top to bottom of the T27, and then at the bottom we just have a 27 curl. So we're in my bathroom and progress has been made. I do not have a braid pattern right now. I was working on the individual braids. So I have one side here, 6 braids in the front, and then I have this side done. There is supposed to be a row behind it, so I'm going behind my ear, a back row, and then the same thing on the other side. But yeah, so that's what we have so far. They seem pretty sturdy. Like, you can't really, from the angles, I think I did a pretty good job. This hair, I don't know if I'm gonna like it though, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. But for the most part, it's going pretty good. I think I may just go ahead and plait up all my individual ones. So I know that 6 need to go across the front. Then I have to figure out the ones behind my ear and then do the back row. And then same thing on the other side. So I guess I'll get to that. I decided to do the individuals first, so that way I can see what I need my rows to look like. Because clearly, okay, it seems like it's going to be 6 braids on each side going back. That's what it's looking like right now. Also on my hair, I've been putting some of this Cream of Nature argan oil hair butter and just some argan oil so yeah, so let me get back to this and I'll update y'all when I have made more progress. Just one moment, I'm still braiding up this one section, but y'all, like, I'm shook at how long this piece of hair is. Like, it's just a little mini braid, right? Like, I'm a little shook. I ain't gonna even lie to you, I'm a little shook. Maybe my hair does grow pretty good for me to have just cut it all off last year. Wow. Made lots of progress. I finished my braid pattern. So it's basically 12 braids going across the front. Now on this side, they got really spacey. So I'm not perfect. So maybe if I would have started here, but the parts got really big, and I think this one right here threw that off. So, and I wanted to keep it even. Maybe if I would have curved that one more, I don't know, but it's even out on each side. So I'm gonna do the individuals in the back and then start filling all the individuals and then do the rest. I just wanted to show y'all what my braiding pattern in the back look like. And let me turn around. Y'all some angles. Like I said, you can see this one got like really thick. Maybe if I did like go back and fix that, I don't know. But this is the other side. See, this side I started with, it's so smooth. You know, you got all the individual, like you can definitely tell the individuals. You can, yeah. Then the back, I did combine for the middle part. For my middle part, I combined these 2 braids right here. And that was the only one I combined. It made one. So yeah, stops like right here. But that's my braiding pattern. Okay, so let me just get this out of the way. Pass the needle through my braid, pull this through. So what I've been doing is I've been like taking the crochet braid and my braid, my own hair, and pulling them through together. trying to get a good knot, so that way normally it ends up really close, so it's not like poking out. I stick both of them through the loop. So this would be hard to see in the back, but maybe I shouldn't have done a back row. But I've noticed it's difficult, so for me to get like the needle all the way through, I just keep my hands really close to the braid so that I can feel it if the needle pokes through before I need it to. So then once I push it all the way up, attach my braid. Okay, and then I stick it through, so you can kind of see it right there. Ooh, yeah, you can kind of see it, so I don't really like that. So just pull it out and try it again. Again, I like to keep my hands close so that way I can feel if it's not right. So I feel like I need to get a little closer through, up and through there. So let's do that. I can just get it to go in there. Okay, whew. Now I done lost my hand. Hold on. Is that it? Yeah. Got a little snag. We almost at the end, but I need to go a little further. So just go through again. I try to push it through like where it came from or something. Put it on the loop. Pull it through. Okay. Well, that's good enough for me. I try to check around it, make sure I don't see it. And then boom, we have one in. So have to do the rest. I've only done the individuals, and yeah, I've only done the individuals. So the 2 rows are done. Just updating y'all in between. So I think it'll look pretty good once it's all like said and done. But yeah, this first pack, again, they all had 36 strands in, and with the individuals alone, I only have 3 strands out of the first pack. So this is 33 in my head right now. I'm thinking I should do like the bottom portion first and work my way up, and then yeah, of course I have to space them out. So give it a good pull. I know there's like a good amount of space between the crochet where my braids end and then the individuals. So I'm trying to get some braids kind of on the lower half of my braid, so like the very bottom of it. And again, I'm just putting them randomly, but I at least want this part to have a good few. So I've done 3 there. I feel like going through the braid is better than over the braids because it's a bit more secure when you go through the braids instead of over or around them. It's a smaller space, so the loop doesn't have a good chance to unravel really. Okay, I think I should really focus on filling this area here in the front. So I'm just gonna start spreading them out. I'm gonna need probably another pack or 2, like I don't know. Okay, so y'all get it. I'll update y'all soon. Okay, so we're getting to the nitty gritty. This is all the hair I have left, and I'm nowhere near done. Maybe I have to take some out the back, but so far we really just have this portion here. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's really like 5.5 rows. 3 sets of 6. So maybe I can get it filled in. Because it's not really that many to fill. And I'm trying to space them out. So if I have to rearrange some, I will. But if I need to go get some more hair, I also will do that as well. But probably tomorrow, because I don't know what time that beauty supply store closes. But oh, it took me forever to figure out which hair I wanted, because that Beauty and Beyond has so many freaking options. Like, bro, like, how am I supposed to choose? Okay, so I think the 3-strand thing is working out. So just trying to make sure. Where did they meet? Hold on. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished hair. I've actually just went to the store. So I finished officially about 6:15. I'll show y'all how full it is. So this is what it looks like. I think it could use a few more in here, but with it all down, let's try this side. I wasn't really feeling the middle part because it just seems so bulky right now, but with the side part, I think it does look really nice. But I'll do it for you guys so you can see. This is what it looks like with the middle part, but it's not doing it for me. But definitely like it a bit more with the side. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Turn around from the side angle. So y'all can see this. Let me see myself. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I can see my individual row. So I definitely could use one right here. So I have to figure out where to grab that one from, but I can cover it for now. On the other side, that's what they all look like. Overall, not too shabby. I like them so for the most part. It's gotta still grow on me. But thank you all for tuning in while I tried a new style. And yeah. Hope you all have a great evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.